Hello guys, my name is Ricky, and now I want to explain how to do this question. Let's start from number 1. The question is, from the picture above, style vector P, Q, and R algebraically. Okay, A. Vector P equals, vector Q equals, and vector R equals. As we can see, the point P is this. Now we want to see if the point go to right and above, it's positive, but if it go to left and below, it's negative. So you see, from this point go to this is 1, 2, 3. So it's positive 2, and if go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6. The formula is A E plus B J plus C K. So this is 2E plus 6J. Okay. Q. So let's we see Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is positive 5. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3J. And then R. It's go right 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 4. And then this is go down, so it's negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's negative 4. Okay. Next B is B. Square root of 2 plus 6, 2 quadrat plus 6 quadrat. So the answer is 4 plus 36, and then it's 40, and then it's 4, the roots of 4, roots of 10. So the answer is 2 roots of 10. Okay, next is Q. So the next is Q. The roots of 5 and 3. 5 quadrat plus 3 quadrat. The answer is 25 plus 9. 34. And the answer is the roots of 34. And then 4 and minus 4. So the answer is 16 plus 16. And then the answer is the roots of 32. 32 is the roots of 16, the roots of 2. So the answer is 4, the roots of 2. Okay, the next is C. Determine the unit of vector P, Q, and R. The formula is E, U, and then, okay, let's start with P. E, P. Okay, 1 per 2, the roots of 10. 2, the roots of 10. And then it's times this and this, 2 and 6. Then 1 over 2 times 2. The answer is 1. And this, we write at this. Over 1 divided by 2 equals 6. The answer is 3, the roots of 10. And then 2 of this, we times the roots of 10. So the answer is the roots of 10. The roots of 10 over 10. 3, the roots of 10 equals, the roots of 10 is 3, the roots of 10 over 10. The next one is number 2. In the diagram below, AD equals X and DC equals Y. E is the midpoint of AC. Simplify the following quadratics and express them of x and y. Okay, given that AD equals x, and then DC equals y. E is the midpoint of AC. Okay, first we will find the AC. AC equals AD plus DC. AD is x, DC is y, so x plus y. Okay, since A is the midpoint of AC, AE equals a half of AC. So x plus y. Okay, now we will find CE. CE is minus AC. Right? CE is minus of EC. So AE and EC is the same, right? So minus of EC equals minus a half of x plus y equals minus a half of x minus a half of y, and then B. AE plus CE plus DE. Simplify that. AE plus CE plus DE. Since AE plus CE are opposite vectors, AE equals minus CE, their sum is 0. So this plus this is 0. So we can write it here. It is 0. And then DE equals DE. Now express DE equals DC plus CE. DE is equals DC plus CE. Okay. DC plus CE is y plus minus a half of x minus a half of y. This is it's come from CE. CE is this. Here it is. And then minus a half of x. Y A1 minus is a half y. And then the answer is a half of y minus x. Okay, the last one is number 3. In any quadrilateral ABCD, C and T, this is T, are the midpoint of AC and BD, respectively. If U equals ST, then AB plus AD plus CB plus CD can be expressed in terms of U as, let AC is 2A's, 2 times of S, because A and C, the midpoint is S. This is the midpoint, so S plus S. So this is 2A's. And then let BD is 2T. BD is 2T. So B and D is 2 times of T. And then given U equals ST equals T minus S. Now expand AB plus AD plus CB plus CD. It equals BD minus AD minus A, B minus C, D minus C, and then the answer is 2B plus 2D minus 2A and minus 2C. Nah, 2 equals B plus D, and then 2A plus C. Subtotal B plus D equals 2T, and AC is 2S. So the answer is 2 times 2t minus 2 equals 2s. So the answer is 4t minus 4s, and then 4 equals t minus s equals 4u. Okay, thank you guys.